Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Hey guys, check out this trailer rig I got for y'all today. Now this is going to my man Marcus in Mississippi, and Marcus called us up and said, hey guys, give me a fridge on a trailer. He said, hey, he wanted a little extra storage room up front. Called us back, said, hey guys, let's add a burner up there. So we got him all set up here. Let's check it out. So I said, it is on our trailer package. And guys, this trailer right here, we got a whole bunch of different options on our trailers. We can build them big, small, however you want them. Now this is a independent torsion axle suspension on this, and so we made it a little longer in the front here so he had room. He's got a single burner up underneath here, got a big removable griddle top here so you can take that off, put your pot or pan up there if you want to. On the back side here, he's got a holder for his propane tank. We'll check that out later. Come around on the front side here. Now he did upgrade to a stainless steel front shelf, 60-inch stainless steel front shelf. That looks good. And we'll check out the Fridge 48 here, guys. This is our most popular smoker right here. So 48 inches wide, 24 inches deep. On all of our fridge models, you do get 3 sliding trays in there. So a lot of cook room. The Fridge 48 with the hot box has more cook room than a 250 tank smoker, just so y'all know. And this is a reverse flow smoker, and what that means is basically directs the smoke all the way across the bottom and then back across all the cooking grates. So it makes for a real even cooking cooker here. Got his fire poker in there as well. He did get our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers in there, made in the USA. And he said, hey guys, can y'all put me 2 leveling jacks on the side? So these fold up and they're removable off there. So you've got a leveling jack on each side. Step around on the hot box here. We got our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, guys. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space in this bad boy. Open this up. Now, what we love about this hot box, it runs independent from the smoke chamber. So it's basically like having 2 smokers run off the same fire. Works really great. Get direct fire in there, do wood fire pieces, grill in it, smoke in it, use it as a warmer. The list just goes on and on. Come around on the firebox here. Now it's all 1/4-inch plate steel, guys. Got our fire management cradle in there, as well as an ash clean out right there. Close that back up and come around to the back side here. Now he had us put a couple extra shelves on this deal, so we got 1 shelf here at stationary. We got a extra large butcher paper roll holder there. Slide that on, pull it up, wrap your briskets up in it. And then we got a big rear folding shelf right here, folds down, and then you fold it back up out of the way. Got a lot of storage right here, goes all the way underneath the smoker, and up front got even a little more storage. And wrap it all off, we got that spare tire, guys. Y'all know the deal. You don't want to be on the side of the road with a flat and not have a spare, so we got that spare tire. Guys, that's Marcus' setup. Came out pretty slick. Tell you, we're going to get in there, get started on the next one. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.